Magega ya komiti ya babunge kulingolia abawaziri ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza bononigo amalieta ya abawaziri araligwa bene ase chisekta agati yabo n'umuwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogumbaki ase sekta y'obolemi naboigo Mithikari Nchuri naboigo ase sekta ya energy and petroleum Davis Chirichini gatangaswa bene na ase sekta ya ICT Eliud Owalu nigo aitigwa bene boigo ase chinsemo chirichia Anthony General Justin Muturi nigo araligwa bene ase ogochigo chaka emeremeyo.
Franklin Mithikari Nturi, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Agriculture and Livestock Development. Mr. Eliud Owalo, Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Information, Communication and Digital Economy. The Honorable Ezekiel Machogumbaki, CBS, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Education. Mr. Davis Kimutai Chirchir, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Energy and Petroleum. The Honorable Ababu Namwamba EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Youth Affairs, Sports and Arts. Mr. Simon Kiprono Chelugui EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Cooperatives and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME Development. The Honorable Salim Mvuria EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Mining, the Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs. The Honorable Florence Chepngetich Kosgei Bore, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Labor and Social Protection. Will as many of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say no? Yes. The ayes have it. The next is to call upon you on that the House approves the appointment of the Honorable Justin Bedan Njoka Muturi EGH as the Attorney General. Will as many of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.